Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Today we will discuss about the most important nursing questions for the NORCET and other exams. First question: which electrolyte imbalance is most likely after the thyroidectomy? Option A, hyperkalemia. Option B, hypocalcemia. Option C, hypernatremia. Option D, hypermagnesemia. The answer is option B, hypocalcemia. Next, second question, peak pressure in mechanical ventilation indicates. Option A, airway resistance. Option B, oxygenation. Option C, compliance of the lungs. Option D, minute ventilation. The answer is option A, airway resistance. Next question, gold standard for the measuring cardiac output. Option A, Fick's principle. Option B, echocardiography. Option C, Doppler method. Option D, non-invasive BP monitoring. The answer is option A, Fick's principle is the gold standard for measuring cardiac output. Next, which IV fluid is contraindicated in head injury? Option A, NS, normal saline. Option B, Ringal lactate. Option C, dextrose 5%. Option D, mannitol. The answer is option C, dextrose 5%. Next, Beck's triad is seen in option A, cardiac tamponade. Option B, pulmonary embolism. Option C, aortic stenosis. Option D, pericarditis. The answer is option A, cardiac tamponade. Cardiac tamponade is the seen in the Beck's triad. Next question, normal CVP range. Option A, 0 to 4 centimeter H2O. Option B, 4 to 10 cm H2O. Option C, 12 to 16. Option D, 16 to 20. The answer is option B, 4 to 10 cm H2O. Next, best site for IM injection in infants. Option A, deltoid. Option B, dorsogluteal. Option C, vastus lateralis. Option D, rectus femoris. The answer is option C, vastus lateralis is the most common for the infants IM injection. Next, which arrhythmia is the most fatal? Option A, atrial fibrillation. Option B, ventricular tachycardia. Option C, ventricular fibrillation. Option D, atrial flutter. The answer is option C, ventricular fibrillation is the most fatal. Next, Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is used in option A, fluid balance. Option B, acid-base balance. Option C, enzyme kinetics. Option D, osmotic regulation. The answer is option B, acid-base balance. Next, which is earliest sign of hypovolemic shock? Option A, hypotension. Option B, tachycardia. Option C, decreased urine output. Option D, altered level of consciousness. The answer is option B, tachycardia is the earliest sign of hypovolemic shock. Next, which pelvic type is most favorable for the vaginal delivery? Option A, android. Option B, gynecoid. Option C, anthropoid. Option D, platypoid. The answer is option B, gynecoid pelvic is the most favorable for vaginal delivery. Next, earliest sign of pregnancy. Option A, amenorrhea. Option B, quickening. Option C, Chadwick sign. Option D. Ballotment. The answer is option A. Amenorrhea. Next. Bishop score assess. Option A. Pelvic adequacy. Option B. Fetal maturity. Option C. Cervical favorability. Option D. Uterine contraction strength. The answer is option C. Cervical favorability. Next. Drug of choice for the eclampsia. Option A. Diazepam. Option B. Phenytoin. Option C. Magnesium sulfate. Option D. Nifedipine. The answer is option C. Magnesium sulfate. Next. Most common site of ectopic pregnancy. Option A. Isthmus. Option B. Ampulla. Option C. Fimbrial end. Option D. Cornua. The answer is option B. Ampulla. Next. Best indicator of fetal well-being. Option A. Fetal heart rate. Option B. Amniotic fluid volume. Option C. Fetal movement. Option D. Umbilical artery Doppler. The answer is option D. Umbilical artery Doppler is the best indicator of fetal well-being. Next. Normal amniotic fluid index. Option A 5 to 10 cm. Option B 8 to 18. Option C 20 to 25. Option D 25 to 30. The answer is option B 8 to 18 cm. Next. Which suture is the first fail in the vertex presentation? Option A coronal. Option B lambdoid. Option C sagittal. Option D frontal. The answer is option C sagittal. Next. Oligohydramnios is associated with option A renal agencies. Option B hydrocephalus. Option C tracheoesophageal fistula. Option D diabetes mellitus. The answer is option A renal agencies. Next. Placenta previa presents as painful bleeding. Option B painless bleeding. Option C brown discharge. Option D rupture of membranes. The answer is option B painless bleeding. Next. ABGA score taken at option A 1 and 3 minutes. Option B 1 and 5 minutes. Option C 5 and 10 minutes. Option D 10 and 15 minutes. The answer is option B 1 and 5 minutes. Next. Vaccine given at birth. Option A BCG OPV hepatitis B. Option B DPT OPV BCG. Next. Hepatitis B DPT measles. Next option D BCG DPT vitamin A. The answer is option A BCG OPV0 OPV hepatitis B. The answer is option A. Next. Most common congenital heart disease is option A ASD. Option B VSD. Option C PDA. Option D TOF tetralogy of Fallot. The answer is option B. VSD is the most common congenital heart disease. Next. In Down syndrome, chromosomal abnormality is option A trisomy 18. Option B trisomy 13. Option C trisomy 21. Option D monosomy X. The answer is option C trisomy 21. Next. Tet spell is relieved by option A sitting upright. Option B squatting. Option C lying flat. Option D oxygen mask. The answer is option B squatting. Next. Which reflex disappears last? Option A, Moro reflex. Option B, rooting reflex. Option C, palmar grapes. Option D, parachute. The answer is option D, parachute. Reflex disappears in the last. Next, leading cause of under 5 mortality in India. Option A, pneumonia. Option B, diarrhea. Option C, malnutrition. Option D, malaria. The answer is option A, pneumonia. Next, first permanent tooth to erupt. Option A, central incisor. Option B, first molar. Option C, canine. Option D, premolar. The answer is option B, first molar. Next, Ray's syndrome is associated with option A, aspirin use. Option B, acetaminophen. Option C, steroids. Option D, antibiotics. The answer is option A, aspirin use. Next, congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis presents with option A, projectile vomiting. Option B, bile stent vomiting. Option C, hematemesis. Option D, abdominal distension. The answer is option A, projectile vomiting. Next, lithium toxicity is suspected at levels. Option A, greater than 0.8 millicu per liter. Option B, greater than 1.0 millicu per liter. Option C, greater than 1.5 millicu per liter. Option D, greater than 3.0 millicu per liter. The answer is option C, because normal lithium level is 0.6 to 1.2 millicu per liter. When it's going up to 1.5, it's in the toxic level. So the answer is option C. Next, hallmark of schizophrenia is option A, delusion. Option B, hallucination. Option C, disorganized thinking. Option D, personality changes. The answer is option C, disorganized thinking. Next, defense mechanism in OCD. Option A, projection. Option B, regression. Option C, undoing. Option D, rationalization. The answer is option C, undoing. Next, first line drug in depression. Option A, TCA. Option B, SSRI. Option C, MAOI. Option D, lithium. The answer is option B, SSRI. Next, Workshop flexibility is seen in option A, mania. Option B, depression. Option C, catatonia. Option D, paranoia. The answer is option C, catatonia. Next, flight of ideas is seen in option A, schizophrenia. Option B, mania. Option C, depression. Option D, dementia. The answer is option B, mania. Next, antidote for benzodiazepine overdose is option A, naloxone. Option B, flumazenil. Option C, atropine. Option D, protamine. The answer is option B, flumazenil. Next, delirium tremens is due to withdrawal of option A, opioids. Option B, cannabis. Option C, alcohol. Option D, benzodiazepines. The answer is option C, alcohol. Next, ECT is contraindicated in Option A, schizophrenia. Option B, mania. Option C, increased ICP. Option D, severe depression. The answer is option C, increased ICP. ECT is contraindicated in increased ICP when increase the BP, hypertension. In those conditions, ECT is contraindicated. Next, personality disorder with attention seeking. Option A, schizoid. Option A, histrionic. Option C, borderline. Option D, paranoid. The answer is option B, histrionic. Next, incubation period of measles is option A, 7 to 10 days. Option B, 10 to 14 days. Option C, 14 to 21 days. Option D, 21 to 28 days. The answer is option B, 10 to 14 days. Next, primary vector of Kala Azar. Option A, Anopheles mosquito. Option B, Culex mosquito. Option C, sandfly. Option D, testfly. The answer is option C, sandfly. Sandfly is the primary vector for the Kala Azar. Next, most sensitive indicator of health status. Option A, birth rate. Option B, IMR. Option C, MMR. Option D, life expectancy. The answer is option B, IMR. Next, infant mortality rate, full form. Next, herd immunity is applicable for non-communicable disease. Option B, infectious disease. Option C, genetic disease. Option D, nutritional disease. The answer is option B, infectious disease. Next, DOTS strategy is used for option A, malaria. Option B, TB. Option C, HIV. Option D, leprosy. The answer is option B. For the TB, tuberculosis, we used the DOTS strategy. Next, surveillance means option A, treatment of the cases. Option B, detection of cases. Option C, continuous monitoring. Option D, isolation of cases. The answer is option C, continuous monitoring. Next, vitamin A prophylaxis in India is given at option A, 6 months. Option B, 9 months. Option C, 1 year. Option D, 18 months. The answer is option B, 9 months. Next, the vector of Japanese encephalitis. Option A, Culex. Option B, Anopheles. Option C, Aedes. Option D, Mansonia. The answer is option A, Culex. Next, incubation period of hepatitis B. Option A, 2 to 6 weeks. Option B, 4 to 6 months. Option C, 10 to 15 days. Option D, 6 to 8 months. The answer is option B, 4 to 6 months. Next, ICD-10 stands for option A, International Classification of Deaths. Option B, International Classification of Diseases. Option C, Indian Counseling of Disease. Option D, Index of Communicable Disease. The answer is option B, International Classification of Disease. So option B is the correct answer. Next, drug of choice for the status epilepticus. Option A, diazepam. Option B, phenytoin. Option C, sodium valproate. Option D, carbamazepine. The answer is option A, diazepam. Next, antidote for heparin. Option A, vitamin K. Option B, protamine sulfate. Option C, atropine. Option D, flumazenil. The answer is option B, protamine sulfate. Next, drug causing grey baby syndrome. Option A, chloramphenicol. Option B, tetracycline. Option C, gentamicin. Option D, sulfonamide. The answer is option A, chloramphenicol. Next, half-life of a drug means. Option A, time to reach maximum concentration. Option B, time to excrete 50% of drug. Option C, time to absorb 50% of drug. Option D, time to metabolize drug completely. The answer is option B, time to excrete 50% of the drugs. Next, selective beta 1 blocker is. Option A, propranolol. Option B, atenolol. Option C, carvedilol. Option D, labetalol. The answer is option B, atenolol. Next, antidote for organophosphorus poisoning. Option A, naloxone. Option B, atropine plus PM. Option C, protamine. Option D, flumazenil. The answer is option B, atropine plus PAM. Next, teratogenic drug in pregnancy. Option A, methotrexate. Option B, paracetamol. Option C, amoxicillin. Option D, insulin. The answer is option A, methotrexate. Next, antibiotic contraindicated in children. Option A, penicillin. Option B, tetracycline. Option C, cephalosporin. Option D, erythromycin. The answer is option B, tetracycline is contraindicated in the children. Next, drug of choice in anaphylaxis. Option A, atropine. Option B, epinephrine. Option C, hydrocortisone. Option D, chlorpheniramine. The answer is option B, epinephrine, also known as the adrenaline. So answer is option B, epinephrine. Next, antidote for warfarin. Option A, vitamin K. Option B, protamine sulfate. Option C, calcium gluconate. Option D, vitamin C. The answer is option A, vitamin K is the antidote for the warfarin. Next, most specific cardiac marker in MI. Option A, CKMB. Option B, LDH. Option C, troponin I. Option D, AST. The answer is option C, troponin I or troponin T is the most specific biomarker for the MI. Next, Addison's disease is due to deficiency of. Option A, cortisol. Option B, aldosterone. Option C, both cortisol and aldosterone. Option D, insulin. The answer is option C, both cortisol and aldosterone's deficiency cause the Addison disease. Next, in ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome, hallmark features is. Option A, hypoxemia refractory to O2. Option B, hypercapnia. Option C, wheezing. Option D, pulmonary edema. The answer is option A, hypoxemia refractory to O2. Next, commonest cause of acute pancreatitis. Option A, alcohol. Option B, gallstones. Option C, hyperlipidemia. Option D, trauma. The answer is option B, gallstones. Next, earliest sign of increased ICP. Option A, papilledema. Option B, hypertension. Option C, altered level of consciousness. Option D, bradycardia. The answer is option C, altered level of consciousness. Next, Battle's sign indicates option A, skull base fracture, option B, intracranial hemorrhage, option C, meningitis, option D, subdural hematoma. The answer is option A, skull base fracture. Next, commonest type of shock in burn. Option A, septic shock, option B, hypovolemic shock, option C, cardiogenic shock, option D, neurogenic shock. The answer is option B, hypovolemic shock. Next, most common side of peptic ulcer. Option A, gastric body, option B, fundus, option C, duodenum, option D, pylorus. The answer is option C, duodenum. Next, Brown sequoia syndrome results from option A, complete cord traction, option B, hemisections of spinal cord, option C, central cord lesion, option D, anterior horn cell lesion. The answer is option B, hemisections of spinal cord. Next, in tension pneumothorax, immediate management is option A, intubation, option B, needle decompression, option C, chest physiotherapy, option D, oxygen therapy. The answer is option B, needle decompression. Next, first step of nursing process. Option A, diagnosis, option B, planning, option C, assessment, option D, implementation. The answer is option C, assessment. Next, type of error when null hypothesis rejected incorrectly. Option A, type 1 error, option B, type 2 error, option C, sampling error, option D, random error. The answer is option A, type 1 error. Next, which is not a principle of nursing ethics? Option A, autonomy, option B, beneficency, option C, non-maleficency, option D, supervision. The answer is option D, not a principle of nursing ethics is supervision. Next, best method of teaching illiterate patients. Option A, lecture, option B, pamphlets, option C, demonstration, option D, group discussion. The answer is option C, demonstration. Next, first nursing theorist. Option A, Florence Nightingale, option B, Virginia Henderson, option C, Dorothea Orem, option D, Pepley. The answer is option A, Florence Nightingale. Next, isolation technique for chickenpox. Option A, contact, option B, airborne, option C, droplet, option D, standard. The answer is option B, airborne precaution should be taken for the chickenpox. Next, hand hygiene is the best done by option A, alcohol rub, option B, soap and water, option C, antiseptic solution, option D, surgical scrub. The answer is option A, alcohol rub. If they told hand washing, the answer should be soap and water. Otherwise, hand hygiene, it should be alcohol and rub. Next, ideal disinfectant for blood spill. Option A, 2% phenol, option B, 70% alcohol, option C, 1% sodium hypochlorite, option D, chlorhexidine. The answer is option C, 1% sodium hypochlorite. Next, nosocomial infection means community acquired infection, option B, hospital acquired infection, option C, opportunistic infection, option D, secondary infection. The answer is option B, hospital acquired infection. When a patient came to hospital after 48 hours, if any another infection occurs, it's known as the hospital acquired infection or the nosocomial infection. Next, standard length of NG tube for the adults. Option A 40 cm, option B 50 cm, option C 100 cm, option D 150 cm. The answer is option B 50 cm. 50 cm. Option B 50 cm. Next, non-nursing part. Longest river in the world. Option A Amazon, option B Nile, option C Ganges, option D Mississippi. The answer is option B Nile. Option B is the correct answer. Next, currency of Japan. What is the currency of Japan? Option A yuan, option A B yen, option C won, option D dollar. The answer is option B yen. Yen is the currency of Japan. Next, first woman president of India. Option A Sarojini Naidu, option B Sonia Gandhi, option C Pratibha Patil, option D Indira Gandhi. First woman president Pratibha Patil. Option C is the correct answer. Indira Gandhi is the first prime minister. Next, which state is called Spice Garden of India? Option A Kerala, option B Karnataka, option C Tamil Nadu, option D Assam. The answer is option A Kerala. Next, SI unit of force. Option A joule, option B watt, option C Newton, option D Pascal. The answer is option C Newton. Next, who invented telephone? Option A Thomas Edison, option B Alexander Graham Bell, option C Marie Curie, option D Newton. The answer is option B Alexander Graham Bell. Next, capital of Canada. Option A Toronto, option B Ottawa, option C Montreal, option D Vancouver. The answer is option B Ottawa. Next, fastest planet to revolve around the sun. Option A Earth, option B Mercury, option C Venus, option D Mars. The answer is option B Mercury. Next, which vitamin is synthesized by the sunlight? Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin D, option C vitamin E, option D vitamin K. The answer is option B vitamin D. Vitamin D is synthesized by the sunlight. Next, largest gland in the human body. Option A liver, option B pancreas, option C thyroid, option D adrenaline. The answer is option A liver. Next, universal recipient blood group is option A, option B B, option C AB, option D O negative or O. The answer is option D O negative is known as the universal recipient blood group. Next, donor is known as O negative, universal recipient is AB positive. So answer is option C. Next, earliest sign of hypocalcemia. Option A tetany, option B chauvistic sign, option C trouser sign, option D convulsion. The answer is chauvistic sign. Option B is the correct answer. Next, most common cause of hospital acquired infection. Option A Pseudomonas, option B Klebsiella, option C E. coli, option D Staphylococcus aureus. The answer is option D Staphylococcus aureus. Next, Which nerve is affected in the Bell's palsy? Option A, trigeminal. Option B, facial. Option C, glossopharyngeal. Option D, hypoglossal. The answer is option B, facial. It is seventh cranial nerve. Next, which part of kidney filters the blood? Option A, tubule. Option B, nephron. Option C, glomerulus. Option D, medulla. The answer is option C, glomerulus. Next, most common cancer in females worldwide. Option A, breast cancer. Option B, cervix. Option C, ovary. Option D, lungs. The answer is option A, breast. Next, which electrolyte imbalance occurs in Addison disease? Option A, hypernatremia. Option B, hyponatremia. Option C, hyperkalemia. Option D, both B and C. The answer is option D, both B and C. Hyponatremia and hyperkalemia occurs in the Addison's disease. Next, normal fasting blood glucose is option A, 60 to 90 mg per del. Option B, 70 to 110 mg per del. Option C, 90 to 140 mg per del. Option D, 100 to 160 mg per del. The answer is option B, 70 to 110 mg per del. Next, Glasgow Coma scale minimum score is option A, 0. Option B, 3. Option C, 5. Option D, 10. The answer is option B, 3, and the maximum score is 15. Next, CPR compression to breath ratio for the adult single rescuer. Option A, 15:2. Option B, 20:2. Option C, 30:2. Option D, 10:2. The answer is option C, 30:2. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and comment what type video and which topic you want.